patients are calling and asking about our Platelet-Rich Plasma program, our PRP program. We call it the 90-Day Ultimate Hair Restoration. So basically, platelet-rich plasma is derived from blood. We draw some blood, we spin it down, we collect the platelet layer. Layers release growth factors. Also, that layer contains some circulating stem cells. We find that when we inject this into thinning areas, it can help to regrow some hair, mostly in the crown. It can help to thicken existing hairs, and it can certainly help to stop hair loss. It works differently on everybody, and it's still considered experimental. However, I've been using it since 2009 with and without surgery. So our 90-day hair restoration program consists of coming in for PRP 3 times, 30 days apart. We find that doing 3 together helps patients get better results, so that's why we put this together. It does include a low-level laser that you take home for your own. It's the HairMax laser comb. I actually did the first research on low-level laser with the HairMax laser comb back in 2002. So I know very well that this is very effective when used 3 times a week. It kind of works like the sun on the lawn on the cell cycle of the hair follicle to help thicken it, help regrow, help stop hair loss. So we give this to you with the program. We also recommend good vitamins and good hair conditioner and shampoo that we also give you. So call Lisa and ask about it if you think you're interested. I really recommend it. I definitely recommend the maintenance PRP once a year. This seems to help patients a lot as well. Again, give us a call. Call Lisa. She can talk to you more about this great program. Hope you guys are having a great month, and I'll see you next month.